There are users out there that have a tough time with Revit schedules. So as you see here, we have an Excel document that we want to bring in to allow us to utilize what we want and what we need. This tool is the Schedule Excel inside the Premium Suites inside the BIM Project Suite. We can bring in that specific Excel document or any other document of a spreadsheet setup and utilize it to what we need it to be, to where it's one setup or another, have it in schedule or drafting view, or replace one as well. We can even automatically update and refresh the updates as well with just a simple click of the button to make it easier on ourselves. This will also allow your other engineers who do not use Revit to bring in that information for you, or you bring in that information and make it simple for everything that you want to utilize. Once again, this is the Schedule Excel inside the BIM Project Suite.